The journey continues, folks, across this vast sun-drenched region that is Western Australia, defined by its immense scale and wilderness. Nothing says scale like our trusty steed, the Massey Ferguson 9S425, but even that was dwarfed by the mining equipment that continues to create the 600-metre hole in the ground, aptly named the Super Pit. That also provided us the perfect backdrop for refuelling solutions to top us up with another variation of a future fuel. This time a second-gen biodiesel, hydro-treated vegetable oil, or HVO 100, recycled cooking oil and animal fat. In this instance, keep eating the fish and chips, people. You're single-handedly saving the future. Follow us on the socials for more updates as we continue the journey as the outback meets the ocean.